extreme right is Commodore Commanding Submarines East. May I now request the Commander-in-Chief to address the gathering before commencing the interaction.
To interact with representatives of the media and answer any questions that are of contemporary nature at this point in time. It gives me immense happiness to welcome our friends from the media houses to this annual event. On the occasion of Navy Day 2021, I extend my warmest greetings and best wishes to all of you, and through you to the people of Visakhapatnam, who share a cordial and symbiotic relationship with the Indian Navy. As you are aware, the Navy Day is celebrated on the 4th of December each year in remembrance of our decisive victory at sea in the 1971 conflict. We continue to draw immense pride and inspiration from the valiant naval action of our war heroes of that time. You are aware that the Eastern Naval Command has been at the forefront in safeguarding maritime interests in the region and beyond. Despite the severe challenges posed by COVID over the past 2 years, ships, submarines and aircraft of the command have remained fully alert, deployed proactively and contributed significantly to the national effort in dealing with the unprecedented pandemic situation. The theme of this year's Navy Week refers to the Indian Navy as a combat-ready, credible and cohesive force. True to this theme, the focus of the Eastern Naval Command has been and will continue to remain the combat readiness of our operational platforms so that they can deploy proactively and respond swiftly to any situation across the spectrum of maritime operations. Situational awareness at sea or maritime domain awareness as we call it. Lower? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So situational awareness at sea or maritime domain awareness as we call it is the primary enabler of maritime operations. If we do not know who is present or what is happening in our area of operations, we will not be able to act in a befitting manner. You will be happy to learn that the Indian Navy has very potent facilities to develop situational awareness at sea, and very little happens in our maritime areas of interest without our knowledge. In consonance with the nation's Act East policy, ships of the Eastern Fleet have showcased the Indian flag at major ports of the Bay of Bengal, Southeast Asia, Indo-Pacific region and Australia. Our participation in multilateral and bilateral exercises with friendly foreign navies has witnessed a significant increase aimed at enhancing interoperability and maritime security cooperation. The annual maritime exercise with USA, Exercise Malabar, which all of you are very familiar with, has grown significantly in scope and complexity. This year's edition was conducted in 2 phases with participation of the United States, Japanese and Australian navies. We also exercised with the French Navy, the Royal Navy, the Republic of Singapore Navy, Myanmar Navy and Indonesian Navy in various bilateral and multilateral exercises. Coordinated patrols and passage exercises were also routinely held with friendly navies. Coastal security continues to be a priority area for us, and our close coordination with the Coast Guard, state and central agencies has strengthened our national capability to safeguard our offshore assets, maritime zones and also ensure good order at sea. Let me now briefly apprise the House on the Eastern Naval Command's role in our national effort to combat COVID. This command has been at the forefront of combating COVID-19 since its outbreak. Our ships undertook evacuation of nearly 4,000 Indian nationals from Iran, Maldives and Sri Lanka in what was the largest non-combatant evacuation ever done by the Indian Navy. Our ships also transported critical COVID relief equipment such as liquid medical oxygen, oxygen containers, oxygen cylinders and rapid antigen detection test kits by sea from the Southeast Asian nations as part of Operation Samudra Setu 2 to augment the nation's fight against the second wave. As part of Mission Sagar, our ships transported nearly 300 tons of liquid medical oxygen, multiple oxygen
హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, వైజాగ్ విజన్ ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మా ఛానల్ అందిస్తున్న జాతీయ అంతర్జాతీయ స్థాయి వార్తా విశేషాలు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.